This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to completely uninstall macOS applications. So I'm right here on my Mac, I'm in the desktop right here, so you can open up a Finder window or open up your Macintosh hard drive window, and you'll have your various favorites saved here. So we've got like desktop, documents, downloads, and at the top applications. So by default mine's set to desktop, but in order to actually delete an application, you would just click on applications here. There's many ways to get to the screen, but that's the most simple way. So in order to actually delete an application, you will find the application that you want to delete. So let's have a look. What can we delete? There's a random poker one here. We'll delete that one. So we will right click on the application and we will click move to bin. And sometimes you will need to enter a password. Not always, but sometimes, depending on the application and what kind of privileges that application has. So that has now been sent to the recycle bin. To completely delete it, we will right click on the bin and we will click empty bin. And just like that, the application will be deleted. Now, I've got this text file open here because this video that I'm doing right here is about how to completely delete an application. Now, some applications on a Mac will leave kind of traces of them behind, whether it's cache, different preferences, different application support settings as we have here. So I've included these in the video description just below, so you can copy and paste these into your Mac. But the idea will be that we will just copy this little string right here. So this is just searching a library. Now, you can, as I'll show you right here, you can have the library just pop up here. But if you don't see your library, you will need to go to folder, and then you will search for this one right here and click application support. Double click right there, so that opens up application support, and then you will just locate over here, you'll locate the application that you just deleted. Sometimes it won't leave any traces, sometimes it will, but you'll just go through alphabetically and find that application. And in the same way, you'll do the right click and the move to bin, and that will delete any traces of that application. And you will do that for all four of these. So these are the four main ones: application support, preferences, containers, and caches. They might have kind of leftover files, folders, they might not, but you need to search those in the same way. So you'll come up to go and you will click on go to folder and you will search for each of those. Super simple. And then delete the recycle bin. So hopefully you found this video on how to completely uninstall Mac OS applications helpful. If you have, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.